How to read and say no left turn in Burmese. Greeting from the Myanmar Language Center. To begin, we will focus on identifying key consonants and vowels from the phrase. To make the reading process easier, we have highlighted consonants in black, aspirated consonants in green, and vowels in red. The first syllable combines the consonant ba with the vowel a, which has a low tone. To pronounce a correctly, remember to lower your tone. For instance, ba a be means left. Next is the consonant ma. As there are no accompanying tones or vowels, these unmarked consonants is pronounced smoothly without pause. Pay special attention to the consonant wa, as it can influence the final sound. For example, when the medial consonant gua is paired with the vowel a, it's formed gui, gua ui gui, which means turn. You might notice the sound shifts to ui when wa is paired with a. The final consonant is ya, which is marked to indicate as aspirated sound, giving it a sharper pronunciation as is in ya. When combined, we read the phrase as be magui ya, which translates to no left turn. We hope you enjoy learning Burmese with us. It's our pleasure to guide you on your language journey. Now သင်ခန်းစာမှာပြန်ဆောင်ကြမယ်နော်